Hi boys and girls. I'm going to discuss number 7th and number 8th element together, that is दिशा, direction, मन, mind. दिशा और मन दोनों साथ साथ चलते हैं. दिशा क्या है? एक डायरेक्शन है. It is a direction which is defined as a course along which someone or something moves, जो एक तरफ को चलता है. And what is मन? Mind is the element of a person that enables them to be aware of the world and the experiences, to think, to feel, the faculty of consciousness and thought. So जो मन है वो हमारे को सोचने की क्षमता देता है, अवेयरनेस देता है कि दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, हमें कैसे फील करना है, हमारी थॉट्स कैसी होनी चाहिए, वो सब मन से पता चलता है. Any movement has a time and direction associated with it. Like sun rises on time, sets on time, and there is a particular place from where the sun rises and particular place where it sets, east and west, as we know. So the world is meant to be continuous and in motion. दुनिया चलती रहती है एक continuous motion में. जैसे सूरज भी टाइम पे उगता है, टाइम पे डूबता है, और एक ही डायरेक्शन से उगता है, एक ही डायरेक्शन में डूबता है. Same way we have time and direction in our body also. Like we eat food at particular times, morning, afternoon and evening. Then we go for motion, so that is also, there is a time for that. In the morning everybody passes stool, so there is time and there is a direction, because whatever we have eaten, it has, whatever needed to be absorbed is absorbed by the body, and then rest, it has to be roughage, it has to be taken out. So there is a direction for everything and there is a time for everything. If you are on the right path, if your direction is okay, then that means your man or your माइंड इज़ ऑल्सो विद यू. जब मन आपके साथ है तो आपकी डायरेक्शन भी ठीक है. अगर मन हमारा ठीक नहीं है, हमारे साथ नहीं है, तो हमारी डायरेक्शन भी उल्टी हो जाएगी. सपोज अ चाइल्ड इज़ स्टडिंग बट ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू गेट वॉट ही वॉन्ट्स. ही इज़ पुटिंग एन एफर्ट, दैट मीन्स मन लगा रहा है, ही इज़ पुटिंग एन एफर्ट, ही इज़ हैविंग हिज माइंड इन दिस स्टडीज़, बट ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू गेट रिजल्ट. सो इन दैट केस वी हैव टू टोन 7. उसको दिशा को और टोन करेंगे, बढ़ाएंगे, तो उसको और अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलेगा. We have to accelerate Disha in this case. I'll give another example. Suppose you have eaten food, you have digested food, and now it has to come out in the form of a motion. So the direction is from above to down, so it passes out in the form of stool. But if it so happens that you are not able to pass stool, you have a constipation, then that means, and you're not having it on the right time. So in this case your time is disturbed. Your disha is also okay, but your time is disturbed. In that case you have to tone 7. You have to tone disha. So we have seen in case of constipation the direction is okay, but it is the time problem. You're not able to pass stool on time, so we are toning disha. But if it is the opposite way, that instead of passing stool you're having vomiting, so in that case you have to sedate disha, because the direction is opposite, where it should not be coming up, it should be going down. But now if it is like that, then you have to sedate disha. और किसी भी केस में अगर हमें दिशा को सीडेट करना पड़ रहा है तो टोन करना पड़ेगा मन को. अगर डायरेक्शन हमारी गलत जा रही है तो हमारे मन को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा, उसके लिए हमें उसको टोन करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हेन वी हैव इमेंस पावर ऑफ माइंड विद अस, वी कैन ट्रैवल एनीवेयर इन नो टाइम. सो वी हैव टू बेसिकली टोन आवर माइंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, so that we are able to do what is required, so that we don't follow a wrong direction, and our man should be so strong that should help us achieve our goals. If we have correct disha, we are following the correct path, then we will be surely progressing faster and we will be goal oriented. But if we have wrong disha is deficient, then we will progress slowly. We have low sense of direction, then no sense of goals will be there in our mind. We'll be aimlessly walking here and there doing nothing. So if a person has hyperthinking, restless mind, overanalysis thoughts, and critical in thinking, or a child who's hyperactive, they have more of mind or man in them. So if a person has hyperthinking, restless mind, over analytical thoughts, or is critical, and then or a child who's hyperactive, that means he's got more of man and mind. And deficiency of man will lead to inability to think, will have dull mind, not able to decide or make up what to do. Or a child who's underactive, they're all having deficiency of man.